Think Central Lesson 7.3 for homework. Here's your tutorial to help you understand the information. Evaluate the expression. So evaluate the expression means to solve it. So we're going to plug in m for 2. So we have 2 minus 1.1, and that will be our answer. Let's check it. 2 minus 1.1 equals to 0.9. Make sure when you line them up, you do something like that. Make sure you line up your decimal points, and then it'll help you get the answer. Plugging in 3 for n, it's pretty simple. That's the times here. So you're going to do order of operations. 3 times 8 is first. That's 24. 5 plus 24 equals 29. And there we go. We show the answer there. So go ahead and pause the video if you need help on this one. But make sure you remember order of operations. So that is the first operation that you're going to do. Plugging in q is 1.4. So rewrite the problem. 10 times 0.55 plus 1.4. Again, you're going to line up the decimal points. 1.4 plus 0.55. Put a 0 there, add them up, and then multiply that answer by 10. And you get so here you go. You line them up. You do that first. You get 10 times 1.95, and that's a single shift. 1.95 times 10. You move that decimal point there, and you end up with 19.5. Plugging in v. V is equal to 6, so it's 180 divided by 6 times 6, because v is equal to 6. You do this operation first because it comes first left to right. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Or 180 divided by 6 is equal to 60. And, it's equal to 30. So 30 times 6 is 180. 180. And we see that 180 is the answer here. I made a mistake on the place value. Question number 5. 4 friends earned $22 by washing cars and M dollars by mowing lawns. They want to divide the total equally. So we're going to have a division problem. Choose an expression for the amount each friend gets. Well, they're going to get 22 plus M divided by 4 friends. So they're going to do 22 plus M divided by 4. And so I'm going to think it's D, 22 plus M divided by 4. If they made $44 mowing lawns, how much should they each friend get? So you should plug in 44 for M, 22 plus 44 divided by 4, and that will equal 66 divided by 4, and that will give us our answer there. And 66 divided by 4 is $16.50. So make sure when you're dividing, you go ahead and put that decimal point there. So you're going to do 4 divided into $66. So put that decimal point there, bring it on up, and then you can solve it that way. So it's going to be 16.50. And that's the end of our lesson. So make sure you ask for help on this if you need it, and do your IXL skills.